That's going to be your fourth time going to the bathroom? And then you wanted to complain. You want to complain the kids only get 2 times, but that's going to be your fourth time within 2 hours? You are the biggest hypocrite, Baral. Leave the kids alone. A kid needs to use the bathroom, you let them use the bathroom. You tell them 2 times for over 12 hours and 4 times you can, in what, 2 hours?
Folks, we have some horrible news. Let's get right to it. Jersey Watcher was just arrested. This guy has one of my favorite channels on YouTube. He does cop watching and auditing, and he goes to these board meetings, and he does outstanding work, folks. He recently started doing some predator poacher work. He went out with another channel, and they both ended up getting arrested, folks. They got him for terroristic threats and something else. You guys, please go subscribe to Jersey Watcher. Go show him your support. I'll drop the links in the description and in the pinned comment. Check out this clip. You're absolutely going to love this dude. Here we go.
You make your own, Schneider. You make your own rules, policies, and procedures. You're an idiot. You're a scumbag. Don't shake your head. Don't shake your head, Maria. You're a Republican committee woman.
Address the chair, please.
Address the chair, please. Shut up.
Before we continue watching, I want to mention something. Jersey Watcher is like a brother to me. And having said that, I hope he doesn't get mad at me when I say, this dude reminds me of Adam Sandler. Not only does he look and sound like him, he actually dresses like him sometimes. I'm not kidding. With that being said, I want to remind you guys to go subscribe to Jersey Watcher. I'm willing to bet you guys are going to appreciate his work. Keep watching.
You are out of order.
You misinterpret. You
are out of order,
bad legal
and
advice.
you
I'm
are
not out of
engaging
order.
in improper decorum.
I am not out of order. I'm within my legal rights.
You are not permitted to curse. No, you are not.
Rosenfeld versus New Jersey. You're actually allowed to curse, and that was an event that happened.
You are
actually
not
at a
to
BO.
engage
It does not
in
matter
any
if children are
obscene
present.
comment.
You're allowed to
Obscenity
curse.
is not covered by the
I'd like
First
to reclaim
Amendment.
my time. Shut your damn mouth. I'm
Obscenity
reclaiming
is
my
not
time.
covered
Shut your
by
damn mouth.
the First Amendment.
Shut your damn mouth.
Obscenity is
He's
not
disrupting the meeting. We're gonna ask him to leave now, please.
Obscenity is not covered by the First Amendment.
He's going to be asked to leave now. If security could escort him out, please.
I'm not interrupting. I'm speaking very softly.
No, you were not. You can't rewind the clock, Christo. Please.
Obscenity is not covered by the First Amendment.
He disrupted the meeting, and you need to leave, please. You need to leave.
This guy right here is what I like to call a political parasite. He thinks he has all the authority in the world, and he thinks he can tell the police officers what to do, who to arrest, when to arrest them, on his word alone. But you see, folks, Jersey Watcher has gone to these meetings numerous times and has put them all in check over and over again. I'm guessing these cops or these bailiffs or whatever they are in there, they already know Jersey Watcher. They already know what he's about and what he's gonna do if they violate his rights. Jersey Watcher is well versed on the law, folks. And this guy right here, he had presumed authority until Jersey Watcher checked him. And when the cops didn't comply to this tyrant's orders, his unbridled power went away. Keep watching.
No, he's not getting 2 minutes to talk. He's not getting 2 minutes to talk.
Rosenfeld versus New Jersey says, it's my time to speak. I'm not acting disorderly. You're being given bad legal advice. And now a police officer had to step in to enforce the law. God bless you. Thank you for standing up for my rights. This is what America's about. This right here is what America's about. Doug, you're a tyrant. You're a dictator. You have no respect for the public. He was just willing to have me dragged out during my time to speak. I hope you as board members address that. What did they want? Me to fight for my civil? I actually have every right to defend myself. What were you gonna do? Put me in a situation where I can get shot, Doug? You're a scumbag. Scumbag is not a curse. Rosenfeld versus New Jersey, you're allowed to curse. You're such a bad lawyer. No wonder why they put the Metuchen lawyer in, because the Armenian lawyer, Jerry, would have never allowed this. He would have never allowed for a member of the public to be bullied. He would have stopped at giving proper legal advice to make sure that this town does not catch a lawsuit, which is the lawyer's job. It's not your job to cover up every time these scumbags break the law. So the last time I was here, the Metuchen mayor was actually texting members of the audience, telling them what to say, who to attack. Isn't it the Metuchen mayor's law firm Isn't he supposed to protect all of you? So when he's telling members of the public to attack a certain BOE member, is that not a conflict of interest? Do we not have every right to call for a motion and have his law firm removed if there is evidence and you are shown evidence of that? If not, you're just negligent in your duties. Thank God we have smart police officers here today. I'm gonna save my 10 seconds. I don't have to, but just, it's all right. You're a scumbag, Doug. You're a piece of shit.
He's disrupting the meeting. He needs to leave. Any other public comments? Ms. Joyce?
The meeting's almost over.
I know.
All right. I don't want him to
No,
say
no.
anything.
Any other public
He
comments?
can't. This has to be on the record, what he's doing.
All right,
Joyce?
just sit there for now, okay? I don't want you getting in trouble. or
No,
anything.
I'm not gonna get.
Do you want me to grab your stuff? So you
No,
can-
no, grab it. By law, I had every legal right to do what I was doing. I never overstepped my bounds.
Applaud Jenny for
Um,
keeping the.
good job. And I'll show you every case law
Keeping the.
where I am allowed to. And when you watch the Officer Stout video,
And Edison.
you'll see, as long as I'm not being, that's why he uses the word disruptive.
So we get, you know, we gotta. do
I
what we
spoke,
gotta do.
I sat
We work
down,
together.
so now he's just
And I'd like to
bullying.
thank,
He's doing an overreach.
Excuse me, Ms. Joyce. Can he keep his voice down back there? He's disrupting the meeting.
I wasn't.
You got it.
Thank you. Go ahead.
All right, guys, here's the breaking news with an update. Ramey arrested after police used info provided by OBL to charge Ramey with third-degree criminal restraint and terroristic threats. Ramey runs the channel OBL Nation, and Jersey Watcher was out there working with him, catching predators. Let's read what it says here. 2 New Jersey residents who posed as a 15-year-old boy on the Grindr app to lure would-be predators provided enough information to police to charge 2 of the men they confronted in face-to-face meetings, authorities said Monday. But the duo's vigilante tactics during those meetups also led police to charge them with terroristic threats and criminal restraint, authorities say. The detailed information also led police to charge Ramey Al Daly, 26, and Crystal Macropolis, Jersey Watcher, 34, with the third-degree criminal restraint and terroristic threats, a disorderly person's offense. Police viewed the videos and determined that Macropolis and El Daly ordered each of the men into the backseat of the car for a long interrogation, police said. They humiliated and threatened them with castration. 2 of the Preds were arrested with evidence from OBL Nation. You know what that tells me, folks? That tells me that police officers absolutely do not care that people are out there trying to bust all these predators. Let's look at the Cain Velasquez situation really quick. Cain Velasquez is on trial right now for attempted murder, and I'm not going to go into details about what happened because I really don't even know, folks. All I know is that the accused predator is out on the streets, and Cain Velasquez is facing life in prison. Can anybody please tell me in the comment section how that's fair? And now back to Jersey Watcher and OBL Nation. These guys are out there doing God's work, folks. In my opinion, Jersey Watcher should be a free man right now. You guys go subscribe to Jersey Watcher. Let him know his brother sent you. Let him know we got his back, folks. If you find any donation links on his channel, see what you guys can do to help him out. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.